The VEEMENT Dashcam Front 2.5K is a compact and feature-rich addition to the dashcam market. With its 1440p resolution, it captures clear and detailed footage of the road ahead, ensuring you have reliable evidence in case of accidents or disputes. The integration with a dedicated app provides convenient access to footage and settings, allowing for easy management and customization on the go. The Wi-Fi connectivity enables seamless transfer of footage to your smartphone or tablet for immediate viewing or sharing. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its WDR night vision capability, which ensures excellent visibility even in low-light conditions. This is particularly beneficial for nighttime driving or in poorly lit areas, enhancing overall safety and security on the road. Additionally, the 24-hour parking monitor function provides added peace of mind by automatically recording any incidents or disturbances while your vehicle is parked. The wide 160 degrees field of view ensures comprehensive coverage of the surrounding environment, minimizing blind spots and capturing more details in each frame. The built-in G sensor detects sudden movements or collisions and automatically locks and saves the footage, preserving crucial evidence for insurance claims or legal purposes. Positive points: high-resolution 1440p footage for clear and detailed recordings, convenient app integration for easy access and management. WDR night vision for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. 24. Our parking monitor for continuous surveillance, wide 160 degrees field of view, and G-sensor for comprehensive coverage and automatic event detection. Negative points: some users may find the app interface slightly complex or unintuitive. A limited documentation or customer support may pose challenges for troubleshooting or setup assistance. Click the link below for more information and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy shopping!